Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: plank, push-up, and pull-up exercises specifically tailored for beginners. If you're new to fitness or looking to improve your strength, these exercises are a great place to start. We'll provide you with some valuable tips and modifications to help you master these exercises with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started on your fitness journey. The plank. We begin with the plank, a fundamental exercise that targets your core muscles. Here are some tips and modifications to make it beginner-friendly. Modified plank. If holding a full plank is challenging at first, start with a modified version. Instead of supporting your body with your toes, drop down to your knees while maintaining a straight line from head to knees. Gradually work your way up to a full plank as your core strength improves. Engage your core. Focus on engaging your core muscles throughout the exercise. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine to activate your abs. This will help stabilize your body and maximize the benefits of the plank. The push-up. Next up, we have the push-up, an excellent exercise for building upper body strength. Let's explore some beginner-friendly tips and modifications. Incline push-up. If performing a standard push-up on the floor is too challenging initially, try an incline push-up. Place your hands on an elevated surface, such as a bench or step, and perform the push-up from that position. As you gain strength, gradually lower the height of the surface until you can perform push-ups on the floor. Proper alignment. Maintain proper alignment throughout the exercise. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, avoiding any sagging or arching of the back. Engage your core and focus on controlled movements. The pull-up. Lastly, we have the pull-up, a challenging exercise for building upper body strength. Here are some tips and modifications to help beginners. Assisted pull-up. If you're unable to perform a full pull-up, start with assisted variations. Use a resistance band or an assisted pull-up machine to provide support as you work on building your strength. Gradually decrease the assistance over time until you can perform unassisted pull-ups. Negative pull-ups. Another helpful modification is the negative pull-up. Jump or step up to the top position of a pull-up and slowly lower yourself down. This eccentric phase helps build strength for the full pull-up motion. And there you have it, folks. Plank, push-up, and pull-up exercises can be modified to suit beginners and gradually progress towards more advanced variations. Remember, it's important to listen to your body, start with proper form, and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and enjoy your fitness journey. We believe in you. See you in the next video.